Have you ever wondered how to modify HTML elements using JavaScript? Well, you're not alone. It's a common question that sparks curiosity in the minds of many. Let's dive into some common techniques to manipulate HTML elements with JavaScript. Firstly, to change the HTML content inside an element, use the innerHTML property. Imagine you have an element with an ID of myElementId. You can update the content with the following code: var element =document getElementById myElementId element.innerHTML =new content. Scene script. But what if you only want to change the text content of an element, ignoring any HTML tags? That's where the text content property comes into play. The code for this will look something like var element =document getElementById myElementId element.textContent =new text content. Attributes of an element can also be modified. This can be done using setAttribute or by directly accessing the property related to that attribute. Here's how it works. Var element =document getElementById myElementId element setAttribute src new-image.jpg / changing src attribute element rf =new link / directly changing href property output. Now, what if you want to modify the CSS styles of an element? The style property is your friend. Here's how to do it. Var element =document getElementById myElementId element.style.color =red element.style.background color =yellow. Adding or removing CSS classes from an element is another common task. This can be accomplished using the class list property. Here's how to add a new class and remove an old one. Var element =document getElementById myElementId element class list add new class element class list remove old class. Finally, creating new HTML elements dynamically and appending them to the document is also possible. Here's how to create a new div and add it to the body of the document. Var new element =document.createElement div new element text content =new element document.body append child new element. These are just a few examples of how you can modify HTML elements in JavaScript. Depending on your specific needs, you may need to use other methods or combine these techniques to achieve your desired outcome. In summary, JavaScript provides a wide range of methods to modify HTML elements. From changing the inner HTML and text content, to altering attributes and styles, to adding or removing classes, and even creating new elements. It's all about knowing which method to use when and how to use it effectively. So go ahead and explore these methods. Practice them, experiment with them, and you'll soon find yourself able to manipulate HTML elements with ease using JavaScript.